Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Om Swastiastu, Namo Buddhaya, Salam Kebajikan. Good afternoon, everyone. Good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen. It is my pleasure, Aida Rahma Aulia, as project manager and moderator at the technical meeting session of the International Unram Accounting Competition 2024 today. Welcomes all of you. How are you, everyone? Hopefully, always in a good health and happiness. Let us be grateful that in the midst of all our business, we are still given health, sustenance, and opportunities to continue to improve ourselves and be productive. Well, before that, I would like to congratulate all of you guys who have successfully completed Stage 1 and 2 of the International Accounting Competition 2024 and successfully advanced to the final round. On this occasion, the commit will present and explain the terms and conditions along with the mechanism of the final stage ladder, which will be divided into three discussions. First of which will be explained by Ms. Nadia, relate to final re-registration, pre-final, final stage, and awarding night. And the second is Mr. Ichal, who will explain about the final stage license officer version. Okay, all of our speakers today are already present with us. For this first discussion, Ms. Nadia will present material related to final re-registration, pre-final, the final stage, and awarding night, which will be immediately followed by a question and answer session of one material each. Let's start for the first discussion. Prepare the best focus. And for Mrs. Nadia, the time is yours.
Okay, Miss Aida, thank you so much for your opportunity. So now I will explain to you about the pre-final. So I will explain to you about the So I will explain to you about the final re-registration for the fee. It's $166 or 2,700,000 rupiah per team. And you can register from the link www.uykunram.com/ic/final register, and you will get facilities hotel 4 days 3 nights, eat 3 times a day, final pre-registration fee, field trip Lombok ticket, and full accommodation during UAC 2024 activities. This is the important things you have to attention. Teams that have participated in the semifinals and passed that stage are entitled and required to re-register for the finals. Teams that don't make the final re-registration are considered to have withdrawn and the position will be replaced by the team with the next highest point. Jadi di sini teman-teman untuk fee registrasi ulang untuk fee final registrasi itu ada $166 atau 2.700.000 rupiah per tim, dan itu bisa daftar ulangnya itu bisa dilakukan di link yang sudah disediakan di booklet. Untuk fasilitas yang akan didapatkan itu ada hotel 4 hari 3 malam, kemudian makan 3 kali sehari, kemudian biaya daftar ulang untuk final, tiket field trip Lombok, dan full akomodasi selama UAC selama kegiatan Unram Accounting Competition 2024. Lalu di sini perlu diperhatikan untuk tim yang telah mengikuti babak semifinal dan lolos dalam tahap tersebut berhak dan wajib untuk melakukan daftar ulang final. Kemudian tim yang tidak melakukan daftar ulang dianggap mengundurkan diri dan posisinya akan digantikan dengan tim dengan poin tertinggi berikutnya. Next. Maybe operator, you can next slide. And then here there are final re-registration mechanism. First, the team that qualify for the final round are the 3 teams that have been highest score in the semifinal round. Then the team's leader re-register the team at the following link: www.ycunram.com/iac/final register. The team leader fills in the re-registration form completely containing team and college data along with the final re-registration fee. And then team leader are required to double check each data field in the form and send the format completely. Each participant will receive confirmation of the payment has been received through the official email info@waceunram.com, or the team leader can confirm the proof of payment to the official UAC 2024 WhatsApp account independently. Teams that successfully re-register are entitled to take part in the final round which be held in Lombok. Jadi untuk teman-teman yang udah berhasil lolos ke babak final adalah 3 tim yang mempunyai nilai tertinggi di babak semifinal. Kemudian ketua tim melakukan daftar ulang melalui tautan yang sudah disediakan. Ketua tim akan mengisi registration form secara lengkap yang berisi data tim dan perguruan tinggi beserta biaya daftar ulang final. Kemudian ketua tim dipersilakan mengecek kembali setiap data yang diisi pada formulir dan mengirim formulir bila sudah lengkap. Setiap peserta akan menerima email konfirmasi jika pembayaran telah diterima melalui email resmi info@uacunram.com, atau ketua tim dapat mengkonfirmasi bukti pembayaran melalui kepada akun resmi WhatsApp UAC 2024 secara mandiri. Kemudian tim yang berhasil melakukan daftar ulang berhak untuk mengikuti babak final yang akan diselenggarakan di Lombok. Maybe next. And then there are pre-final stage. In this pre-final stage, the team will make scientific papers with the theme that has been considered by our commit. So here there are a working period. It's from 7 up to 22nd July 2024, and then so file collection period it starts from 20 up to 23rd July 2024, and then working platform it's using Word and PowerPoint, and then information system teams there are bank and financial institution, cooperative, and micro, small, and medium enterprises. And then for the collection platform, you can collect it in official 2024 UAC email at info@uacunram.com with subject UAC 2024 underscore team name underscore university. And then there are the mechanism for this pre-final stage. First, each team that qualifies for the final stage is required to follow the pre-final stage until the submission of scientific paper. Teams that qualify for the final round can immediately work on scientific papers on accounting information system after the announcement is published. The submission of the papers is in the form of PDF files, original files, and Turnitin files, and PowerPoint. Jadi buat teman-teman yang lolos ke tahap final ini bakalan buat karya tulis ilmiah yang bertema temakan sistem informasi akuntansi sesuai dengan yang sudah disiapkan oleh panitia. Untuk waktu pengerjaannya itu dimulai dari tanggal 7 Juli sampai dengan 22 Juli 2024. Kemudian untuk waktu pengumpulannya itu dimulai dari tanggal 20 sampai dengan 23 Juli 2024. Untuk media pengerjaannya itu menggunakan Microsoft Word dan PowerPoint. Untuk temanya sendiri dari KTI-nya itu yaitu ada bank dan lembaga keuangan, kemudian ada koperasi dan usaha mikro kecil dan menengah atau UMKM. Kemudian untuk media pengumpulannya bisa melalui email resmi UAC 2024 di info@uac.unran.com dengan subjek UAC 2024 underscore tim nama tim underscore universitas. Kemudian tempat pengerjaannya itu dilakukan di daerah masing-masing. Kemudian untuk mekanismenya, setiap tim yang lolos ke tahap final wajib mengikuti tahap prafinal sampai dengan pengumpulan karya ilmiah. Kemudian tim yang lolos ke babak final bisa dapat langsung mengerjakan karya tulis ilmiah yang di sistem informasi akuntansi setelah pengumuman dipublikasikan. Kemudian pengumpulan karya tulis ilmiah dalam berupa dalam berupa PDF, file asli dan Turnitin, dan PowerPoint. Next. Oh, this is the next mechanism that you must pay attention for. Each team is expected to pay attention to the format of the scientific paper as follows. One, format of scientific writing. There are title or cover page, and then there are table of contents, and then chapter 1 is introduction. There are background, problem formulation, objectives, and benefits. Chapter 2 discussion. Chapter 3 conclusion. There are conclusion and closing. And then writing format. Here you can use spacing 1.5. And then font times New Romance. Font size 12. Paper A4. And then this is the margins. Left 4, top 4, right 3, and bottom 3. And then file name format is UAC24 underscore team name underscore university. Scientific papers have a plagiarism rate below 20%. Participants identify plagiarism from scientific papers made by marking files that have been Turnitin or have plagiarism. Teams collect 3 files, regular files, files that have been identified by Turnitin by participants, and PowerPoint. Jadi di sini teman-teman teman-teman diharapkan untuk memperhatikan format dalam karya tulis ilmiahnya, yaitu yang pertama ada halaman judul atau cover, kemudian ada daftar isi, kemudian ada bab 1 atau pendahuluannya yang terdiri dari latar belakang, kemudian rumusan masalah, tujuan, serta manfaat. Kemudian di bab 2 ada pembahasan, dan bab 3 penutup. Untuk format penulisannya di sini menggunakan spasi 1,5, untuk fontnya Times New Roman, untuk ukuran fontnya 12, kemudian untuk kertasnya A4, kemudian untuk margin kiri 4, top 4, kanan 3, dan bawah 3. Untuk format penamaannya itu ada UAC24 underscore team name underscore universitas. Di sini karya tulis ilmiah memiliki tingkat plagiarisme di bawah 20%. Partisipan atau peserta mengidentifikasi plagiarisme dari karya tulis ilmiahnya yang dibuat dengan memberikan tanda pada file yang telah diturnitin atau terdapat plagiarisme. Tim mengumpulkan 3 file. Yang pertama itu ada file biasa, yang kedua file yang sudah diidentifikasi Turnitin oleh peserta, dan PowerPoint. Next. And then for the scoring system, there are 5 aspects. 1, idea, 16 points. Following the drafting format, 10 points. Following the writing format, 10 points. vocabulary 10 points, plagiarism 10 point. Deduct 1 point for every 1% exceeding 20%. Jadi di sini ada poin penilaian dari karya tulis ilmiahnya itu. Yang pertama ada idenya itu 60 poin, mengikuti format penyusunannya 10 poin, mengikuti format penulisannya 10 poin, kosakatanya 10 poin, plagiarismenya 10 poin. Jadi poin di sini deduct 1 point for every 1 second exceeding 20 ini. Jadi mengurangi 1 poin setiap 1% melebihi 20. Jadi setiap lebih dari 20% itu poinnya bakalan dikurangi 1. Next. And then here are the final stage. There are recommended finalist arrival time. Jadi di sini 25 July 2024 at 12 p.m. GMT 8. Final stage date 26 July 2024. For the venue, the final stage or presentation will be held in the Senate Conference Room, Rectorate of Mataram University. And then for the mechanism, each team that qualifies for the final stage is entitled and obliged to participate in the final stage until the Lombok tourism activity to Gili Trawangan. Teams that qualify for the final round can take a flight schedule with an estimate time of arrival in Lombok at 12 p.m. Each team will get full service from the liaison officer. Each team will present their scientific paper in 15 minutes and discussion in 5 minutes. For the scoring system, there are 4 aspects. The first is language, style, and gesture is 15 points. Ability to explain the material is 14 points. Ability to answer the question 35 points. And effectiveness of time use is 10 points. Jadi untuk final stage-nya ini, kedatangan peserta direkomendasikan itu pada tanggal 25 Juli jam 12 WITA. Kemudian untuk tanggal final stage-nya itu tanggal 26 Juli 2024 yang bertempat di ruang sidang Senat Rektorat Universitas Mataram. Kemudian untuk mekanisme tahap finalnya itu sendiri, setiap tim yang lolos ke tahap final berhak dan wajib mengikuti tahap final sampai dengan kegiatan karya wisata Lombok yaitu ke Gili Trawangan atau tripnya ke Gili Trawangan. Kemudian tim yang lolos ke babak final bisa mengambil jadwal penerbangan dengan estimasi waktu tiba di Lombok jam 12 WITA. Kemudian masing-masing tim akan mendapatkan pelayanan penuh dari liaison officer. Tiap tim akan mempresentasikan karya ilmiah yang sudah dibuat dalam waktu 15 menit dan diskusi selama 5 menit. Kemudian untuk mekanisme presentasinya itu, yang pertama ada gaya bahasa dan gerak tubuhnya 15 poin, kemampuan dalam menjelaskan materinya itu ada 40 poin, kemampuan untuk menjawab pertanyaan itu 35 poin, dan efektivitas waktu yang digunakan dalam presentasi itu 10 poin. Next. Next. For the awarding night, and here is the last agenda from the final. This is their awarding night that will be held 26 July 2024 at 5 p.m. GMT 8 will be surprise, and then awarding night is presenting a slightly different impression compared to previous years. We proudly present the UAC 2024 awarding nights to the finalists. This awarding night will be attended by all participants and aims to celebrate and announce the winner of the International Accounting Competition. As a part of UAC 2024 awarding night program, we offer entertainment that will refresh your mind. There are the prize for IAC 2024 that you can see. First place is 3 million. and there are merchandise entropy, and then second place is 2 million and merchandise entropy, and third place is 1 million and 500,000 rupiah with merchandise entropy. Jadi nanti teman-teman bakalan ada awarding night yang di hari yang sama di jam 5 waktu Indonesia Tengah atau WITA. Kemudian di sini awarding night ini adalah salah satu acara yang digunakan untuk mengumumkan juara dari International Accounting Competition ini sendiri. Dan untuk hadiahnya di sini bisa kita lihat sama-sama, yaitu untuk first place-nya itu 3 juta rupiah atau $184 dengan merchandise dan trofi. Kemudian untuk second place yaitu 2 juta rupiah atau $122 beserta merchandise dan trofi, dan untuk third place-nya itu 1.500.000 rupiah atau $92 dengan merchandise dan trofi. Maybe that's all from me. Back to moderator. Thank you so much.
Well, thank you for the presentation, Miss Nadia. We will open a question and answer session based on the presentation of the material that was delivered earlier. Is there anything that is unclear or wants to be asked by all of you guys? For those who want to ask, can raise their hand on feature below or can directly raise your hand directly and can use in Indonesia in English. It's as comfortable as possible. So any question? Hello, any question? Or is it clear? Okay, please, Mr. Arya Bima Putra, turn on your mic.
Tes. Selamat sore Kak. Saya izin bertanya. Sebelumnya saya dari tim ADN PKMSI. Pertanyaan pertama, itu kan tanggal 20-an itu sebenarnya kita lagi UAS Kak. Lagi di tengah-tengah UAS dan acaranya kan 4 hari. Kalau seandainya kita misal pulang lebih awal, mungkin hari Sabtu dan lain sebagainya, itu apakah diperbolehkan atau memang harus benar-benar mengikuti jadwal? Yang kedua, untuk pre-final stage-nya tadi yang bikin karya tulis, apakah karya tulisnya itu harus benar-benar formal, misalnya kayak skripsi dan lain sebagainya, khususnya untuk desainnya, atau boleh creative design? Mungkin itu. Terima kasih.
Okay, thank you so much for your question. Maybe we can answer later. Are there any more question again? Please raise your hand. Okay, please, Mr. Bae-Hyujun, turn on your mic.
Okay, hello, can you hear me? Okay, I want to ask about if my flight is on 24, I arrive at 24, then how have any solution about the accommodation?
Can you write down on the chat for your question? Okay, that's it from Bae-Hyujun, or wanna ask again? Okay, thank you so much for your question. Yep. Mr. Bae Jun, any question? Okay, thank you so much for your question. Well, maybe we can answer later. So any question again from Nicola Susilo? Please, Mr. Nicola Susilo, turn on your mic.
Oke, selamat sore Kak. Eh, saya izin tanya Kak, ini kan ada, tadi kan kalau kita bikin paper itu kan scientific paper itu kan ada 3 ya kan temanya. Nah, ini saya masih kurang jelas, kita itu milih salah satu atau kita membahas tiga-tiganya. Atau kayak kita dipilihkan gitu, kan kita kan ada 3 tim, jadi masing-masing misalnya tim ADN dapat ini, tim ADN dapat, tim Swagama Amin dapat tema yang ini, dan lain sebagainya. Nah, itu pertanyaan pertama saya. Nah, pertanyaan kedua saya ingin tanya, sebenarnya saya udah konfirmasi sih sama itu, sama panitianya. Kalau papernya itu nulis bahasa Inggris, dan kalau misalnya untuk presentasi kita boleh bilingual, artinya boleh bahasa Inggris ataupun bahasa Indonesia. Nah, saya ingin tanya, presentasi ini kita boleh full bahasa Indonesia atau kita campur-campur antara Inggris sama Indonesia? Mungkin sekian sih. Terima kasih.
Okay, thank you so much for your question. Any more question again? Okay, if there are no question, maybe Miss Nadia can answer the question from Mr. Arya Bima Putra first. Miss Nadia, time is yours.
Oke, izin jawab in bahasa ya. Jadi tadi pertanyaannya Kak Arya Bima Putra kalau nggak salah itu yang pertama itu apakah boleh pulang duluan karena stan masih ada ujian. Jadi di sini nggak boleh karena di sini kakak-kakak atau semuanya harus mengikuti rangkaian acara sampai selesai. Kemudian untuk pertanyaan yang kedua, apakah karya tulisnya itu dibuat harus sesuai skripsi dan apakah desainnya bebas? Untuk desainnya bebas dan untuk penulisannya itu yang sederhana aja, cuman di situ poin-poin masing-masing babnya itu jelas gitu. Mungkin itu.
Oke, izin confirm boleh Kak?
Boleh.
Untuk yang tanggal 27 itu kan udah nggak lombanya lagi ya, lombanya kan tanggal 26. Kalau bisa di estimate tanggal 27 itu selesainya jam berapa ya?
Untuk rundown yang tanggal 27 dan 28-nya itu bakalan dijelasin di next stage. Next session.
Oke. Berarti tanggal 28 itu masih ada acara ya?
Tanggal 28 itu kepulangan.
Oke. Thank you.
Oke.
How is Mr. Arya Bima Putra? It's clear?
Yeah, it's correct.
Okay, thank you. Next, we will answer for the second question from Mr. Behyujun. For Miss Nadia, the time is yours.
Okay. If you want to fly arriving Lombok on 24, it's apa sih Inggrisnya itu, Bang? You can arrive in Lombok on 24. You can arrive in Lombok on 24, but you will have a charge. And then for your second question is what is the plan for 27 and 28? That will be explained in the next session by the license officer. And that's it in your last question too. Maybe that's all, Mr. Behijo.
How is Mr. Behyujun? Is it clear?
Okay, for the detail will be informed by the admin in WhatsApp.
How is Mr. Behyujun? Is it clear? Okay, thank you so much for your suggestion and your question, Mr. Behyujun. Next, we will answer Mr. Nicola Susilo. For Mrs. Nadia, the time is yours.
Okay, for the question from Mr. Nicholas, for the theme, for the themes you can choose by yourself. And then for the presentation, you can use bilingual or full English.
How is Mr. Nicolas Susilo? Is it
So I want to confirm again that is that true that it will not affect the score if we use bilingual language rather than we use English language?
Okay, Mr. Nicholas, it will not affect your score if you use bilingual or English.
Okay, thank you so much.
okay? Mr. Nicolas Susilo, is it clear?
Yes, thank you.
Okay, thank you so much for your question. Maybe next here. Okay, sorry.
All right.
Okay, please, Mr.
Just
Arya
one.
Bima Putra.
Okay, thank you. Uh, does that mean the paper has to be in English, or it can be Indonesian and English, whatever, or it has to be English for the paper, but the presentation is can be English or Indonesian or even bilingual?
Okay, for Mr. Arya Bima Putra, for the papers, it use English, and for the presentation, you can use bilingual or English. That's all.
Okay, it's enough. Thank you.
Okay, thank you so much, Mr. Arya Bima Putra. So, is it clear, everyone? Okay. For the second discussion, Ms. Ichal will be present material related to the final stage license officer person, which will be immediately followed by a question and answer session of one material each. Let's start for the second discussion. Prepare the best focus, and for Mr. Ichal, the time is yours.
Good afternoon. Introduce my name Muhammad Farizal Fahmi and be called Ical. I am from the Liaison Officer Division. On this occasion, I will provide a little information related to activities for fans of participants who take part in the final in Lombok. Before that, I will introduce my friends who will accompany each team leader. First, there's Mas Fatur and Mbak Aida, who will accompany the team from Tuanku Abdul Rahman University. Next, there is Mas Pras and Mas Tauhid, who will accompany the team from the State Accounting College. And me and Mas Adem, we will accompany the team from Universitas Airlangga. Next, participants are in Lombok, and we will wait for each team. And we will wait for each team to arrive at the airport on hour before the plane landing. Next, this is a breakdown. Next, this is a breakdown of the cost that will be incurred by France participants will in Lombok with hotel facility, cycle and field trip Gili Trawangan. Selanjutnya, jadi di kesempatan kali ini saya akan memberikan sedikit informasi terkait kegiatan untuk teman-teman peserta yang mengikuti final di Lombok. Sebelumnya saya memperkenalkan diri dulu. Nama saya Muhammad Farizal Fahmi, biasa dipanggil Ical. Saya dari Divisi Liaison Officer. Saya juga akan memperkenalkan teman-teman saya yang lain yang akan mendampingi masing-masing tim nantinya. Yang pertama ada Mas Fatur dan Mbak Aida yang akan mendampingi tim dari Universitas Tuanku Abdul Rahman. Selanjutnya ada Mas Pras dan Mas Tauhid yang akan mendampingi tim dari Sekolah Tinggi Akuntansi Negara. Lalu saya dan Mas Adem akan mendampingi tim dari Universitas Airlangga. Selanjutnya di sini teman-teman bisa lihat rundown-nya. Ini adalah rundown selama teman-teman peserta berada di Lombok. Dan kami akan tiba di bandara 1 jam sebelum pesawat peserta landing. Dan berikutnya ini adalah rincian biaya yang akan dikeluarkan teman-teman peserta selama berada di Lombok. Is there any question?
Maaf, biayanya yang mana ya, Kak?
Kenapa?
Tadi dibilangnya ini biaya yang akan keluar, tapi di slide yang saya lihat belum ada terkait biaya apapun.
Can you repeat again?
Tadi kakaknya bilang ada rincian terkait biaya-biaya, tapi di slide yang saya lihat belum ada biaya-biayanya. The cost incurred in Lombok. Nah, oke. Oke, it's covered.
Okay, I want to answer your question. The first one, you should have to confirm with us. Then we will help you confirm with the hotel, and you can depart the hotel before 28 July, because we still have agenda for field trip. I will answer question from Arya Bima Putra. And Mr. Bahyujun, if you want to go back after 1945, you can do that, but you will get tired cause our agenda in Gili sangat padat. Udah jawab. Okay, I return it to the moderator.
Okay, thank you so much, Mr. Ichal, for your presentation. Maybe before we closing, any question again? Any question again? Okay, if there are no questions, after this meeting, there will be a notulen sheet that we send to the group, and you can read that. Okay, so we are at the end of today's technical meeting. Thank you very much for the commit who have explained very clearly regarding the final stage. Thank you, Miss Nadia. Thank you, Mr. Iqal. And thank you to all of you guys who have taken time to attend today's technical meeting. I hope that all of you can understand the presentation that was delivered earlier. And hopefully all of you guys can also complete the project for the final very well.